This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. So, y'all know the vibes when y'all see. Well, I don't know if y'all, I can't even see it on this one, but this one is an Amazon one. So y'all know the vibes. I think that I'm gonna start doing my unboxings from here because look, y'all can see and everything. Remember to always cut away from you. Oh wow, it really is tiny. This is a portable microphone. This is really tiny. I read the reviews, and the reviews they said it was tiny, but wow, it is tiny. I wanted a mic for when I do like my mukbangs and things like that because I don't know how to work this thing. This is the stand. This is the stand it comes on because I bought a lavalier. So I bought a lavalier and it's still the quality is not all that great. So I bought a mic. This is so cute, guys. It's gold. Y'all know I love gold. So this was originally $47, but they had a 25% off coupon. So I applied it, and after the coupon, it came to be $35. So these are the cords that it came with. I really want to improve my quality. Came with the instruction. Here's a picture of how it's supposed to look. Can y'all see that? Yeah, this is the way it's supposed to look. So the instructions are in Chinese. Oh, they come in English too. English and Chinese. This is the how to assemble. I'll assemble that off camera because I gotta do some reading. This is so hopefully my sound quality is A1. And then too, another thing with the lavalier, it is like hooked up, so sometimes I forget that it's on and I get up and I go to walk away and bang, I'm stuck. My phone falls and all of that. So this will hopefully prevent all of that. On to the next one. Oh, I don't but I have to use my little knife. It says pull here to open. Wow, why all stuff don't come like that? So this is, y'all know that I'm a sucker. I'm not a sucker, but I love to support small business. Oh, this is nice. This is like how to, oh, the mommy maker. This is like the instructions on how to care for the bag. This is care instructions. So I purchased this from my friend. She has a small business. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, I actually purchased 3 bags. These are the bags. Black culture is not a trend. Isn't this cute, y'all? So I purchased this for me, the big one for me, because I'm a mom. And all my moms out there know that your kids walk out the house with stuff and then expect for you to carry it. Put it in your bag, hold this for me. So I bought this one for my mom, the smaller one. And I bought this one for my aunt. This is so dope. Look at this, y'all. Isn't this cute? This is so cute. This is so cute. And I love big bags. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm not even gonna blame my kids. I love big bags. Me. I do. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna link. Does she have a link? I think she just makes these, you know. This is so nice. The quality of the bag is nice. I really love the bag. I'm already like, I know I'm gonna wear these with a white tee like I have one now. Some of the new distressed cut up pants and my Converse. Yes, and some nice little bamboo earrings. At least 2 pair. Nah. This is so nice. My mom and my aunt are going to love it. They're gonna love it. They're gonna love it. It's so crazy because every unboxing that I've been doing has been mermaid stuff. So, like, I don't even know how to act that it's not mermaid stuff. You understand? Everything has been mermaid stuff. This right here is from Glamazante. I love to shop Glamazante. You know, I love her stuff. It comes with her business card. Y'all see? And then it has another coupon code for the next time I order. Okay. Let's go into this thing. Look at these. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh. She's cute. I'm feeling what she's giving. I'm really feeling what she's giving. These are my shades. Then I bought an Army Critique shirt. Let me open her up. It's a sweater, so when it gets kind of like cold outside. Oh, it's blue instead of black. It says some writing on the front. So instead of black, like the regular Army Fatigue, it's actually blue. So it's blue, navy blue, green, and like a tannish color. And then it says Rumble Young Man Rumble. I really low-key didn't even look at the writing. I just bought it because it's Army Fatigue. I love Army Fatigue. These glasses though, oh, she is cute. Now this is the star of the show. She had a 50% off sale on her website. I'm thinking she did that because she needed to get new inventory, so she had to get rid of old inventory. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. This is a robe. This is the robe I wanted for so long. I'm not new to this robe life. I'm true to this robe life. I love robes. I have robes. I wear robes. Not on camera, but don't even hold me if y'all see me in her on camera. I might wear this on camera. This is so cute. So I was watching it because originally, oh, it doesn't even tie. Does it? Does she tie? Yes, she ties. I was watching this robe because originally it was $60. And stay. Okay. So originally it was $60. Oh my goodness. Originally, this robe was $60. Y'all know me. I'm a mom of 4. And I really just can't. When you're a mom, it's so funny because I just couldn't spend that on myself. And one thing, I spend $60 on myself all the time, but it's like in increments, you know? So I just couldn't spend $60 on this robe, but I have millions and I have hundreds of robes. I'm exaggerating, but I have many robes, and oh my gosh, I love you, robe. I love her. This robe. How do I look? How do I look, y'all? This robe is so cute. Look at the sleeves. I think this is called a unicorn robe. Okay, so the robe was originally $60, and when she had her sale online, it went down to $30. I was like, okay, I could spend $30 on a robe. So, I mean, there were times when pre-children, before children, Pre is before. Pre-children, I would spend $50 on a robe, and I think $50 was the most I would spend on a robe. And that was on Victoria's Secret. That was at Victoria's Secret. So, and it wasn't even as cute. Look at this. Look how cute she is. This is so cute. This is cute over pajamas like I have now. This will be cute with nothing over nothing. If I go bare skin, from, you know, I wouldn't walk around like that. I would be just like for adult activities. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. And it's like a rainbow color. It's like so cute. Oh my gosh. I morphed into sexy mommy in this robe. I'm sexy mommy. Like, I'm not regular mom. I'm sexy mommy. I feel like this robe makes me feel like floating. Does that make any sense? It makes me feel like, what do you need? Okay. Okay, dear. Do you need coffee? Sexy mommy has your coffee. What do you need? Like, I'll reach down and I'll get you anything you need. I got you. So this is annoying me. So the next time I do a clean with me in my kitchen, y'all won't see her here. So I'm gonna take measurements and I'm gonna get me like a little thing that fits over there. Anywho, oh my God, I love this robe. I love it. I love this robe. I love these glasses. I love Glimmerlante. Oh, yes, girl. I'm just so happy and pleased. Okay, let me and my robe go. We'll see you all later in the next video. Bye.